In this guide, I'm going to show you how to reserve your WhatsApp username before someone else claims it. Since WhatsApp usernames are globally unique and available on a first-come, first-served basis, it's a good idea to reserve your preferred handle as soon as possible. First up, update your WhatsApp. So navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for WhatsApp. If you find the option of update, click on it. After you update it, launch it, navigate to You page. Then head over to the option account. Go to the option username. Now click on create username. Go ahead and type in your preferred username. Your username must be between 3 and 35 characters and must be unique. Once you are done, you can click on save. Some users may also have the option to sync their existing Instagram or Facebook handle through Meta's Account Center, and you can enable an option for digit username key for additional security. Once you complete that, you have just reserved your WhatsApp username. If you don't see the username option yet, don't worry. Meta is rolling out the feature gradually, so keep your app updated and check back regularly. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.